Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today let's turn these candlestick holders into these cute centerpieces. Okay guys, so these are the flowers I will be using today. They are chrysanthemums and I got these at the Dollar Tree. And as you can see the color, that means fall is right around the corner. And I also have my two candlestick holders. I'm going to be removing the flowers from the stem. I'll be using toothpicks to attach my flowers, but you can always cut the stems if you'd like. So here I have a pool noodle. You can get this at any dollar store. I also got it at the Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to cut small pieces that can fit around my candlestick. So now I'm going to add the pool noodle to the candlestick holder, and to do that I'm just going to unscrew the top of the candlestick holder and I'm going to add the pool noodle over the middle and screw the top back on. I really love that these candlestick holders can be unscrewed, but if you have candlestick holders that are very different and cannot be unscrewed, you can still get the same effect by cutting the side of the pool noodle and just slipping it on the middle of the candlestick holder like this. Okay, so remember I had mentioned I'm going to be using toothpicks to attach my flowers. So these are just regular size toothpicks that I'm going to be using, and I'm just going to head them to where the stem was of the flowers like this, and that's how I'm going to attach my flowers to the pool noodle. You can always adjust the length of the toothpick or the flower stem if you find it too long once you start putting your arrangement together. Okay, so I've added toothpicks to all my florals, so now I'm going to be arranging them, and I'll rearrange and try to balance the colors to get the look that I'm going for. And to all my subscribers, I appreciate you. Thank you for your support, and to all my new subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please go ahead and do so, and also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you are enjoying the video. So this one is halfway done and I really love how it's looking already. It's already looking really cute, and we can see it's going to make a beautiful centerpiece. So I have some minis to add to this, and they are just like a deeper shade of orange, so I think it would give like a little contrast to the colors and give it a little pop. So that's how it looks and I'm loving it. So I also have these flower blossoms that I'm going to be adding to the arrangement, and as you can see I added them closer to the middle because I didn't like how it was looking when I first added them. So this is how it looks, and I really love them right there in the middle of the arrangement. I also got these taper candles that I'm going to be using, and I got these also at the Dollar Tree. And guys, just look how beautiful this turned out. It's very simple, very easy, but look how beautiful it is, and it's definitely going to be a wow factor. I think I'm going to make 2 more of these and use them for my Thanksgiving table setting. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.